Hello everybody, so this is a requested video on a fall nail art tutorial. This is also inspired by Robin Moses nail art and also back to school nails. Alright, so what I use is Hot Ticket, the Balm, and it's called That's Red-iculous, R-E-D-iculous. I thought that was pretty cute, okay? And then we're going to use Wet n Wild, Oups, for the yellow, and then Sunshine State of Mind by Essie for the orange. And All About You, the glitter, for the glitter from Sinful colors. And I transfer some to here. You guys will see why. And then my top coat is out the door. My base coat is Duri. Rejuvecote is not shown in this video. I apologize. But this is my top coat. And also these are my nail art brushes that will help me in this nail art tutorial. Alright, so I did the first nail, I guess off camera or something happened, I don't know, but we're here right here for this one, okay? Alright, so this is how I'm putting on the nail polish, being very, very careful. As you guys can see, I want to do little to no mess, but you guys will see me clean up in some areas, you know, that's what you have to do. And once you apply this nail polish, you have to immediately proceed on to the other steps, okay? As you guys will see, don't let this dry, okay? You will see why. All right, so you're gonna have these two dots. You're gonna put two dots here, as you guys can see here, of the orange, and then you're gonna immediately put your yellow dot on there as well, okay? And you're still not gonna let this dry because we're gonna do a fake water marble, okay? As you guys will see here, I'm gonna take my nail brush and I'm just gonna swirl it around. You don't have to do it exactly like I do. Your design is gonna look different, but you're gonna make it look like a water marble, okay? And I like this because I'm very bad at water marbling, so I love doing fake water marble because it's better for me, and you don't get frustrated because water marbling it's a lot that you have to do. It's all about the technique, and I don't have time for that, so I just like doing this better. And I'm taking off the excess nail polish, as you saw there, and that's what Robin Moses nail art did. So this was an inspired tutorial. She has this on her page. I really love her. She's awesome. I'll put her page in my description bar below. And also this was a requested video on fall nail art designs. As you guys can see here, I'm cleaning up. You know, you got to clean up, and you clean up as it's, you know, not dry when it's wet. Clean it when it's wet. All right, because then it's going to be very hard for it to come off, especially if it's a dark color like this, okay? But anyway, I apologize about that, but she's very awesome, so definitely go check her out. And this was also a requested video. Thank you for requesting it. And that's just basically it about that. So this is also back to school now, so those of you that are going back to school, this will be very nice and easy for you guys to do and to be fresh, a fresh look at, you know, at school. And that's basically about that. So everybody's design is going to look different. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine, because I know mine does not look exactly like Robin Moses nail art. So that's basically it about that. So that is it, you guys. I'm not going to talk your head off. I just wanted to talk you through a little bit, and as you can see, the rest is self-explanatory, and that's just basically it. So you guys can enjoy the music, and that's just basically it about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for requesting it. I thank you so much, and I thank Robin Moses nail art for having this on her channel. A lot of her nail art designs definitely inspire me to do this, okay? I really appreciate her work. She has awesome nail designs, and most of my nail designs are from her. Oh, okay, and I messed up here, as you guys can see here, right here. So you guys will see how I fixed this up. I added more orange, so I like to show you guys my mistakes, as I like to say. Added some orange, and bam, there we go. Okay, so if you mess up, it's okay. You know, this is not a, you know, imperfections are welcomed in this type of nail design, okay? All right, so if you think you messed up, you didn't. Just try to fix it up to your liking, and you good, okay? So that's basically about that. All right, you guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and yeah, that's basically about that. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. If you have any questions, comment below that. Thank you for watching. Peace.